Christopher Bonds in the court, you guys. But I'm sorry, I made like 2 previous videos of me hiking this fucking trail, bro. I'm so sorry about that, bro. I kind of want to stick to myself, but I didn't, bro. I have to go back, like, so damn soon. It's just like, bro. But I gotta keep promises to people, bro. I want to show you how deep this fucking place is, though. It's like an hour where I live from. Hold up. Damn. Look at this shit, bro. I feel like I'm in pioneer times. Huh, what the fuck is that? My bad, bro. We'll sit here and we'll talk real quick. Hold up. Look at this. Whoop. Whoop. It's crazy as fuck, bro. See how really deep this is, bro. You ain't gonna find anywhere like this where I'm from, bro. It's all flat. Except like this part, fucking literally. And everything else is just flat as fuck. Damn. It's crazy, bro. I would have hiked the other part, man. But yeah, you need to get out in nature, bro. Like, literally, that shit made me a sweat, bro. If you have any rocky terrain where you're from, bro, go hike that bitch. Literally, man. Gotta try to open yourself up to nature, bro. I want to leave this technology bullshit behind, bro. Like, last year I was addicted to it, bro. This year I'm starting to not be able to stand it anymore. Just what it is. Holy fucking shit, Brody. That's crazy. Some beaming on me, bro. One day I'm gonna get a better phone though, man. I'm gonna have to. But yeah, bro. I wanted to show you guys what's up. I'm gonna record it later. We got a lot of things behind the scenes, bro. Take care.